Hello everyone, welcome back to One Two Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix not eligible for TikTok account. Have you ever received this kind of an error message while signing up for TikTok? If yes, this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's move on. If you have encountered such an error and got blocked from creating your TikTok account, there might be several reasons for it to happen. The first thing is that you might be underage. There's an age limit for whoever can join TikTok. For example, only 16 years old and above are eligible to create an account on TikTok. If your current age is under the required age, you must wait for several years before you can join TikTok without restrictions. If you already match the criteria but still you are not being able to sign up for your TikTok, then what you can do is go to your Android device and tap on the settings button. Look for your TikTok application by tapping on the apps button and scroll down and tap on TikTok. Once you do that, tap on the storage under users, tap clear cache at the bottom right and tap clear data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, select OK and try creating your TikTok account now. That was how you were not being able to sign up for a TikTok account because of age restrictions and the solution for this problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.